Hey, sup guys, my name is Esteban, and look how it looks outside. Wow. Look how it looks. I actually heard thunder right now. I just heard thunder, and look, it's flooding the entire car walk. Wow. I heard thunder already. That is so cool. Oh my god. It looks so awesome. And scary as well. Me and my dad were hearing like thunder strikes everywhere. Let's see how it looks outside. Okay guys, let's see how it looks outside. Oh my god! It is so rainy outside! Wow! Guys, it is so rainy outside. Like, oh my god! Well guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!